You guys. Have my tea. Hey guys, so I feel like I'm talking extra loud. It's all echoey. I'm in. The AC just turned on. I'm trying to make this like a little smoke spot. I don't know, I'll see. Look at how cute. It has like a back area. You can't really see anything. I'm about to go do groceries right now. I cleaned everything. What did I use? Like some Clorox bleach stuff. I used this. I sprayed on pretty much everything and this. And I put away a whole bunch of stuff. Like I had a whole bunch of boxes right here. That's all kind of put away. Look at how cute this is. But yeah, this is my closet. This is like the stuff that I don't know where to put. I might put it in the kitchen actually. There's like some cabinets at the top that I could put these in, but I need like a step stool because these are heavy. And then this is my bathroom. I try to make it like all white. But yeah, this thing is ugly and it leaks. I'm just gonna bring my nice one from my old apartment so I can put it in here. But yeah, pretty much it. I like how this apartment has a window in the bathroom because in my apartment, there's no window in the bathroom. So it gets all like hot. Oh, and look at this. I've never seen this before. Like what? I love this thing. I can't believe I'm here. I can't believe I'm here. This is my apartment, dude. Can't believe I'm saying that. Look-y, it's hot. Let me turn the air on. I feel so blessed to say that. Is this on? There we go. I'm so happy. Look, I have a fan. I have a fan. What the hell? But tomorrow is the big move-in day. We're gonna get the U-Haul and all that stuff. The movers are gonna come tomorrow. Oh shit, I have to go pick up my Wi-Fi box. Okay, I'm gonna go do that right now. I have to go get my Wi-Fi box and get some groceries. Okay, I made a quick stop at the apartment. Look at how empty, baby. Look at how empty. It's just all the heavy stuff, really. We took all the small stuff. Pretty much ready. The closet's all empty. Hi. It's hot as hell. I just did some groceries. Dude, I haven't done groceries in so long, right? Okay, so I just did groceries and I got whatever I didn't already have. Like, I already have stuff, but I didn't want to get new stuff, so this is what I got. I didn't really get much. I mean, this is really all I got. How the hell is this all I got and it came out to like $300? What the hell? How? Okay, so I think I'm done for today. We moved in all the small stuff. I did groceries. I forgot to pick up my Wi-Fi box. Oh my god. What time is it? I don't know if I want to go do that right now. I forgot to pick up my Wi-Fi box. But I think I'm just about to sage this place and cleanse it. Good vibes only, you know? So I'm here at Spectrum. I'm waiting to pick up my Wi-Fi router. It's supposed to be like a self-setup thing, so I'm just waiting for my turn, I guess. I don't know. Okay, I finally got it. I'm not gonna lie, I don't know why there's 2 boxes, but whatever. Hi guys, it's I set up my Wi-Fi and I brought more stuff to the apartment. I'm here in the new apartment. I'm on a beanbag. We bring my bed tomorrow, so that's good. Low-key, I should be asleep. I have to get the U-Haul in 6 hours. So yeah, I'm gonna finish these tacos. Oh, I don't know if you did see them. But I'm gonna finish these tacos and I'm gonna call it a night. Hi guys, it's move-in day. I mean, I'm already in the apartment, but today's move-in day. It's 7 o'clock in the morning. Low-key, I should already be out, but I'm gonna hit this bong first. Then I'm gonna head out. Today's move-in fit. I'm back at the old apartment and packed up more stuff into my car. So my car is full and it's in the alley. That's kind of sketch. There's a bum in the alley next to my car right now. But yeah. Everything that's left is pretty much for the movers and they should be here right now. It's 9 and they should be here right now. We have the U-Haul downstairs. My dad's downstairs with the U-Haul. So yeah, I'm pretty much ready. Baby, are you ready? It's empty. You okay, kitty? It's empty. Empty apartment. No more fire. Last time. Bye. I just turned in the keys. It's my last time. Yay, bye. Bye forever. You guys, so I'm all set up. I have to put everything away. Baby, we're home. I left my bed frame. I didn't want to take that. We got the bongs. We got the weed. Right now, I'm putting away some clothes. Oh my God, can you hear me? Because the TV right now. Whose man's? I don't remember when was the last time I recorded a video. I'm doing laundry, which I'm so grateful for because at my last apartment, I had to go to the laundromat, which sucked. I hate that. I have baby here. Hi, baby. Hey. But yeah, I'm doing laundry and then I'm going to build some IKEA furniture. And I hope I don't break it because it's glass. So we'll see how that goes. Hi, I'm making IKEA stuff. It's like glass shelves. I think that's how I can call it. But I think I'm like halfway done. I just did 2 glasses. I don't know if you can even see it, but I just did 2 sides so far. I did it by myself, guys. And the IKEA instructions said it was for 2-person job. I did that shit by myself. Hi. I thought I'd make a video. It's my 3rd night here in the new apartment. I made some breakfast. I made some breakfast for dinner, and it's my first meal I cooked here in the apartment. Breakfast. What time is it? It's 10. So yeah, I'm eating breakfast at 10 o'clock on my 3rd night here in the apartment, and it's going very well. I love it here. When I'm done eating, I'll show you guys how the apartment's looking so far. Alright, I'm done eating. How the apartment looks so far. These are the only boxes I have to unpack. Wait, is it? Yeah. These are the only boxes I have to unpack. And by the way, this is like the entrance right here. So I have my bags up there and all that stuff. Mask collection, key lanyard collection. I have to get a new bed frame since I threw away my other one, my other bean bag. Oh, so I'm trying to make this like a cool little smoking area. I don't know. I'll see how that works out. But look, I built this yesterday. This from IKEA. I'm gonna try to buy some cool pieces and put them in these two. And then in this one, I have all my car trophies and stuff. No, just random stuff. I don't know what to put in there. But yeah. Oh, and then I put my books down here. I have some, I don't know, my drawers. And this is how my kitchen is set up. I just did dishes because I just cooked and I don't leave no dirty dishes in the sink. I can't do that. That's pretty much it for now. I think this looks so cute. I love the glass shelves. And I have to get rid of those boxes. And I have to mount my TV. I don't know when I'm gonna do that. I don't like how the light looks so yellow though. Oh, guys, look. I tried to put my Bluetooth light in there. My dumbass. It's stuck. It's stuck and I can't get it out. And this is my closet. Here, let me turn the light on. Look at how cute this light is. That is so cute. But this is my closet. I have my crystals here. My sunglasses. And yeah, this is my closet. It is hella packed. I try to sort my clothes by color, but I don't know, it's kind of hard. It looks like it's by color, but I try. And then I have all my bags, my hats, and like I have hella shoes. Like I didn't know I had all those shoes. Plus these. My bathroom's still the same. Oh my god, dude. So when the movers were here, one of the movers was like, "Is it okay if I can use your restroom?" And I was like, "Yeah, go ahead." Bro, look at my fucking rug. Baby, move. Look at my rug. Like, bro, you have to do me like that. I'm just here finishing up my line and watching My Name is Earl. I'm about to pack a bowl and probably call it a night. Right, baby? You're going to sleep? Say hi. Hi. Kitty. It took a long time for my cat to get used to it here. She was really scared. Like the first day and a half, she was hiding in my closet and she wouldn't come out. Poor thing. But now she's okay. I gave her some catnip and she's happy. I think she's happy to be here. She likes when I open the back door. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but the crickets are really loud here. My dog and my cat both trip out on the crickets. Like, it's funny because I used to go to sleep to crackheads screaming and like fireworks and shit like that, you know. And I go to sleep to loud ass crickets. Like, what? That's freaking awesome, dude. I'm happy to be here, and I know she is too. I walked her today and she was so happy. I was so happy too. Finally being in a place where I can walk without feeling like unsafe. I just felt good. Like being in this neighborhood, I don't have to worry about anything, like for my safety. So yeah, I'm happy. Oh, there's also a dog park like 1 block away. Not even 1 block. At the end of my block, there's a dog park. Oh, I wanted to take my dog so bad. We walked over there. It was hella packed. Like, it was hella packed to begin with, and then there was people pulling up with dogs. Like, I'm so far really enjoying it here. Every day I park in front. Like, what? At the other apartment, I would always park in red because there's no parking. So it's awesome. I'm happy and super grateful, and I'm feeling super blessed. To be honest, I never thought I would get out of that apartment, and I'm very happy to say I got out of there. So I'm at my usual gas station, right? And the cashier guy, I haven't seen him in a while, and this dude is like, "What happened to your other car?"